Hello everyone and welcome to this Faye versus World Nomads travel insurance. Which one is best for you? Are you planning your next vacation and you don't know which travel insurance to pick? We've done the hard part so you can make the easy decision. We'll break down their coverage, customer service, pricing, and more to help you decide which is the best fit for your travel needs. So, let's get started. Faye is a company focused on providing a tech-forward, user-friendly experience with customizable plans. World Nomads, on the other hand, has been around longer and is particularly well known for catering to adventurous travelers and digital nomads. They offer policies designed for longer trips and activities that might be considered higher risk, coverage options, and flexibility. Both Faye and World Nomads offer comprehensive travel insurance, but their approach differs. Faye offers customizable plans for various trip types. World Nomads allows you to purchase or extend your policy even while you're already traveling, thus providing a great flexibility for long-term trips. They also tend to cover a wider range of adventure activities, which might be excluded by standard policies. It's important to look at the specifics of what each covers to see which is best for you. User experience and technology. Faye is known for its modern app-based experience. Their app allows you to manage your policy, file claims, and access 24/7 support. World Nomads has a more traditional approach, but their website is user-friendly, and they offer a 24/7 emergency assistance. If you prefer managing everything through an app, Faye will be the better choice. If you're comfortable with a website-based approach, World Nomads works well. And now to pricing and value. Pricing can vary significantly depending on your trip details, coverage needs, and age. Generally, World Nomads might be more expensive, especially if you're looking for an extensive coverage for adventure activities or long trips. Faye's pricing can be competitive, but it's essential to compare quotes for your specific itinerary and coverage requirements. The best way to know is to get quotes from both companies for your specific trip. And now, customer support. Both Faye and World Nomads offer 24/7 emergency assistance. Faye emphasizes quick and easy claims processing through their app. World Nomads is known for its experienced support team that understands the needs of adventurous travelers. And now to the pros and cons. Faye is user-friendly, tech-driven, and offers customizable plans. World Nomads is ideal for adventure travelers, offers flexibility for long trips, and has a strong reputation in the adventure travel community. However, it can be more expensive, and their interface is not as modern as Faye's. So you'll need to consider the type of travel you're planning. If you're going on a standard vacation, either Faye or World Nomads could work. If you're planning a long-term trip, engaging in adventure sports, or traveling to remote areas, World Nomads might be a better fit due to their specialized coverage. Always read the fine print to understand exclusions and limitations. In conclusion, both Faye and World Nomads are reputable travel insurance providers, but they cater to slightly different audiences. Faye is a great choice for tech-savvy travelers seeking a user-friendly experience. World Nomads, on the other hand, excels in providing coverage for adventurous travelers and long-term trips. So you'll need to choose the provider that best aligns with your travel styles and needs. And if you found this comparison helpful, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below, and thanks for watching.